Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove a profile picture from Microsoft Teams. So I'll be explaining to you the situation on your mobile devices with the app version. First of all, on your laptop computers, go to the top right hand corner and click that button there like I do, the circle with a person icon in it. Then you'll want to click edit profile, you'll see it underneath your name on that menu there. Then you'll see your profile picture in the middle of the screen. Next to it, it will say remove picture. Go ahead and click on that. Then once you've seen it's removed on the left hand side there, you'll want to go ahead and click save. Then that's how it will be done on the computer version. Now on your phones, go to the top left hand corner with the three little lines, click on that button there. Then you'll see your name with your email underneath it and your profile picture on the left hand side. Click there. Then you'll see this menu. Then you want to click edit on there where you see your profile picture at the top there already. Then you've got two options, take photo or choose existing photo. Unfortunately, there is no remove profile picture button like it is on the computer version. So you will have to change it to something else to remove your current profile picture. But as you can see how you do there, you can just make it just like a plain white one or something like that if you don't want a specific profile picture. That's the only options on the app. But hopefully this did help you out. If it did, leave a like on the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on the Microsoft Teams app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.